Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about text data type, character and varchar. Okay, let's see. Suppose uh, suppose I have select some string here. The string will be something like this, and I am using a as keyword and char only with uh, 2. A value of n is 2. When we are specifying parenthesis and inside value, the value is n means number of byte we have to use. So that, but by default value of n is 1. Let's see here 3 and see what happens. It is it is not running. Use here a code. Yes, only 3 character of this string is included. What if I use a 40 here? Yes, let's see here. You can see that if I click on here and copy this text and paste this value here, you can see that the 40 byte is allocated and remaining where the string is not present, white space or blank is padded by default by this character data type. The char and character is same. Character. Let's run only this line. Yes, copy and paste here. You can see that char and character is exactly the same. Suppose let's do the same thing with the text data type. Text has an unlimited length. Text, okay, and paste this value here. Copy and paste this value here, so we can see that what this value is contained. Okay, you can see that no blank space is added and only contain a large value. Okay, let's see it with the varchar data type. Varchar, and without parenthesis and n value. Let's see. The output is similar to text. What if I use here only a 3 value of n? It will give only first 3 value. Let's see. If I run this, it shows only first 3 character NJV. Okay, number of character we have to include. Let's do it with the help of example. Suppose select pname from program Java aptitude. Okay, let's set this to by default in the data type of this is character varying, means the character varying and varchar is almost similar. Okay, let's see what character varying is 100. If I update this to with only 5 character, that's it. It is not updating. Okay, if I refresh this, alter table program alter column p name type varchar 5. Okay, let's see what is happening here. Value is too long. Okay, because we have inserted previously the value. Okay, let's see. The value inserted the was up to has greater than 5 characters, so we cannot do this for 10. Okay, we need to delete this substitute value for entering this. Okay, let's try to insert values greater than 10. Insert into program pname values greater than 10 and run this. It will showing value too long for character varying 10. It will give us an error. So okay, let's run this. Okay, if I decrease the size, the PID already exists. Sorry for this. PID is query written successfully. If I check the values, the value is inserted or not. Yes, the value is inserted at last. Okay, let's see with the text data type and make this to greater as possible. The value will be inserted. Yes, but we haven't updated this to text. Yes, we alter this to text and run the query and see the data is entered. Yes, the value is inserted. Okay, when data is fixed length, we can use character data type. Suppose ISO country code, which is a fixed length, so we can use their uh, character data type to save the space. Okay, no, it not save the space. We know that only the ISO has a fixed length data type. Okay, ISO need a fixed length data type so that for saving space we can use varchar data type, and for unlimited length we can use varchar without n. Text is not part of SQL standard but available in similar MSQL server and also MySQL. That's it. That is all about character data type. Thank you.